In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Ads location effectively with a comprehensive guide tailored for 2025. Let's dive into it, ensuring you have all the insights to make this process smooth and efficient. First, let's start by navigating to Google Ads. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. You can simply type in ads.google.com in your address bar and it will take you straight there. Once the page loads, you're going to want to click on the Sign In button. This is typically located at the top right corner of your screen. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your credentials and proceed to your Google Ads account. After signing in, you will find yourself on the Google Ads home dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all ad-related activities and accounts. From here, the next step involves directing your attention to the Campaigns section. You can find this option on the left-hand side menu. Click on it and it will display all your current and past campaigns. Now it's time to select a specific campaign where you wish to change the location settings. Scroll through your list of campaigns carefully and click on the one you are focusing on. Why choose the right campaign, you might think? Well, each campaign may have different target audiences, objectives and settings, so being mindful about selecting the right one is important for your ad strategies. Once you've chosen the campaign, we proceed to the crucial step of modifying the location. Locate the languages option in your campaign settings. This might sound a bit counterintuitive, but it's part of the broader campaign settings where you can make various adjustments. Clicking on languages opens up a section where you see different language preferences alongside location targets. Here, you'll be able to modify the location settings specific to this campaign. Scroll through or use the search function to find the location that best suits your campaign's audience. Remember, targeting the right location can affect how your ads perform, reaching the intended audience effectively and optimizing your ad budget. After making your necessary changes, don't forget to hit Save. This ensures that all the adjustments you made are applied, and future campaigns will carry those updates forward. Regularly reviewing your location settings helps in keeping your campaigns optimally targeted. And there you have it. That wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to change your Google Ads location for 2025. By following these steps, you should be well equipped to manage and optimize your ads to reach the right audience effectively. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe or comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next.